course, super sanay na ako sa kanya. And, you know, somehow, she calms me down whenever kinakabahan ako.
Ang ganda mo maging sino ka man.
Hisashiburi da na. Kasan no Gohanga. Tabeta ka tanday ko.
Ang hinihintay ko na lang talaga yung physical touch.
Say what you want.
Sabi?
Ness!
Put si David sa...
Akin.
Super happy na ka-love team ko si Barbie dahil marami akong natulan sa kanya. Diba? Tapos ang ganda-ganda. Oo, di nga.
Opo, ano naman yung in touch with life? I-explain mo naman sa amin. Para yung mga girls.
Before. Oh my God!
Of course, I'm really, really happy dahil naging parte na ako ng Beauty Empire.
Oh, wow. So, sana hanggang sa talagang maging sobrang galing na aktor na siya, sana ako yung kasama niya. Happy na hanggang ngayon magkasama pa rin tayo sa work. And ayun, sana magkasama pa tayo ulit. And to see him grow as an actor at sana ako pa rin ang kasama niya. Ako naman, excited na akong maka-extend na ulit si David. Siyempre, ang tagal na nung huli kami nagka-extend.
Oo nga, hindi na ako sanay na iba yung ka-eksena mo eh.
Talaga lang ha.
Dream role ko matuloy yung continuation ng Maria Clara, di ba?
So, dream role mo, yung nagawa mo ng role.
Oo. Ako Maria Clara and Ibarra.
Yung Fidel
Continuation. Yeah, I think gusto kong gawin yun. For the fans na rin and also for me personally. Gusto ko yun kasi yun yung pinaka na-enjoy kong gawin. I mean, enjoy ko naman lahat, pero yun yung pinaka.
Hopefully, magkaroon ba tayo ng maraming trabaho together?
And hopefully, we get the movie and the teleserye this year. I'm hoping. Fingers crossed. Nothing is set in stone, but we are both hopeful that we get to work together again. I want a movie na iyakan, drama, ganun, like something na may hugot, di ba? A teleserye also, na rom-com naman sana, or if given the chance, Maria Clara 2.0. Kami yung last na parang pwede pa siyang mag-transpose into something, into another world, diba? So hopefully, magawa namin yun. It's really a big dream of mine.
It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you,